are you? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to take my Kenyan and my American friends to the tour around Remera. Like Remera is one of the neighborhood in Rwanda which is very known, and it have a lot of different construction that are very known, like BK Arena and the biggest stadium in Rwanda. We also we are coming from Kimironko Market, so we are going straight to Remera, by feet. So this is one of the Simbas. It's more like shopping supermarkets in Rwanda, and they are very known. They are like everywhere. So we are coming from Kimironko to Remera. Okay, so grab your popcorns and sit tight as we are going to move, as we are going to walk around the street of Kigali, Remera to be precise. Okay. Walking around Remera. This is a university campus. Oh. Yeah, like one of the public universities in Rwanda. Okay. Yes, University of Rwanda, but this one is Remera campus. Okay. So this is where they go when they are doing the medicines and health sciences. Yeah. Remera. And this place have the biggest stadium in Rwanda.
Let me put this on you.
The new Buit one. You know the new Buit one. So it's around here. We are going to pass by it.
Okay.
And guys, if you've been to Kigali before, let me know in the comment section. Tell us how was your time here.
You're not like the CBD, right?
No, this is not the CBD. This is just, some neighborhood in Rwanda. Yes, but it's also like known and it's very popular. Yeah. So do Kenya drive on the right side of the road?
No, we drive on the opposite side.
Oh, the left.
Where you guys have your steering wheel, you have it on the opposite side.
Oh, so as those one are walking that are going that way, they go from here.
Yes.
Okay.
You feel like the way on the other side, and ours on this other side.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's different.
So it's different. Yeah.
You've been to Uganda. How about Uganda?
Uganda drive the same way we do in Kenya. I'm not sure though.
Okay.
I can't.
Yeah, guys, if you're watching this video and you're from Uganda, let us know in the comment section. Alright. You can see that they have a lot of shops. Like some stores, clothing stores, or phone stores.
I'm excited to get. Have you been in the city, like inside the city? Yeah.
Okay. So this is another gate of the university. Oh, look at the rugs. This is a rug store. Okay. This is a Catholic church. Yes. Remera Catholic Church, which is called Regina Pacis Remera. Yeah. So the majority of Rwandese, they are Christian. So we have a lot of churches around the city. You don't be surprised if you are from a country which is Muslim, which is mostly Muslim. Don't be surprised if you are in Kigali and you see a lot of churches. like everywhere. Mostly like, you know, around the street you see them. So don't be surprised if you see that in Rwanda, because, you know, we are mostly Christian. And guys, if you are a Christian, we are still on Monday of Easter, so happy Easter to you guys. Okay, all right. So this whole gate is still, this big gate from here down there is still there. Yeah, those are my friends. So it's still the university's gate. So this university is also big. Yeah, it's big. Guys, as you are watching this video, or if you've been to my channel for a while, what surprises you about Rwanda? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me that thing that surprises you, like you didn't know about Rwanda or anywhere and you are surprised about it. So like over there on that mountain that you see, that's the airport.
Oh, that's the airport.
Yes.
Too bad my camera can't zoom in.
Oh, that's the international airport.
That's nice.
So yeah, we are moving around the street of Remera. Okay. Can you see how the road is clean? Tell me. And how the vehicles are very organized. I've said about that in my previous video. If you check it out, yeah, you can see that I talked about how Rwanda is very organized, clean, and also safe. As you can see, the road, the vehicles. So I was telling you that the road is very organized, like this. You see, like the bikes knows how to, like the bikes, the motorcycles follow the rules, and the cars also follow the rules, and they got them. Look at the garden. So the last time I was here, this blue building was still under construction, but look at it now. It's done, and it's being used. Because when I was coming to Kigali market, I saw that they have like a store or supermarket inside. All right. Welcome to Rwanda. Welcome to Kigali. Hey, yeah. Welcome to Rwanda. My friends, they are walking, enjoying the streets of Kigali and enjoying their walk. Yeah. And guys, if you want to visit Rwanda and you want to have the local experience, you know, you want to have the experience of Rwanda through the local eyes, I'm here for you. So reach me out. So reach out to me and I will take you around Kigali. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can come there. Like when you pass there, you go to Gisimenti. Yeah, where you can have a good night in Rwanda. We are Remera, but like Gisimenti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gisimenti. Okay.
Gisimenti. Hey, this is where you get to have the best nightlife.
Okay.
In Rwanda. Yeah.
So you're going to bring me during nightlife?
So if you are like a night person,
yes,
I will bring you here.
Are you a night person?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I love going out, so
okay.
Yeah. So this is Remera, Kigali. This is how it is. Like This place has a lot of hardware stores.
Just continue.
Hardware stores, more like lamps. You can see from that shop there.
Yeah.
They have lamps, you know, building materials, you know. So that's more like what they have here in this place.
Oh, so it's like they're selling like building material stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at those shops.
Yeah.
Like, most of the things they have.
Yeah. Things, paints. Okay.
Especially one of the hardware shops. You would think they would have something. Some glue.
Yeah.
Will you go to the hardware shops?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here. So yeah, guys, we are inside the new street of Kigali, Rwanda. We are in a place called REMERA. You can check out this place. And we have some hardware stores over here.
Yeah, guys, we are still walking around REMERA neighborhood, and you can see how beautiful it is. Like, they have a lot of hardware shops or stores, let me say that. Like this building, you can see like all the ground floor is just the lamp or lights. Yeah, it's all about the lights on that side. Okay, so we are walking here, and we are almost at the stadium, the biggest stadium in Kigali. So we are walking down this side, and yo. Oh, sorry. So like this one, yeah, like the paints and stuff, and some cement on this side. Okay. Oh, this looks like a new building, maybe like apartments.
Yeah. Maybe you can have an office in this building.
Oh yeah, that would be great. Like here.
Yes,
the fasto.
With your crochet.
Like my crochets there. Yeah, like
I can see the vision. I can see it.
That's true. Amen. Amen. Yeah. Look at these hands. Hey, the place is nice. Oh, it's Kenya green.
Green?
Yeah, green. Like you see how Kigali, like everywhere is garden stuff, trees.
Within the CBD, it's not green. Even outside the CBD, it's not that green.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, how about you? How about the US?
In America, I mean, it all depends on where you go in America. You can hit mountains. Of course.
No, like when you are walking around the street. I mean, like
we have trees and things like that. Yes.
On the city, in the city.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
We have multiple parks. Things like that.
Okay. That's cool. So this is the biggest stadium.
The stadium you were talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the stadium I was talking about.
Oh, it's called Amahoro.
Yes, Amahoro, which means peace.
Oh.
Peace Stadium. Yeah, so it was built in 2024. Yeah, that's when it was
launched.
Yeah.
Okay. Amahoro Stadium. Are we able like to get inside? We can't get inside?
Like you can't unless there is a match going on.
Oh.
Like a football match or something else going on. Yeah, you can get inside.
Okay. It looks
it.
clean though.
Yeah, it looks clean. Like
and it looks
inside,
big.
I went inside and it was very beautiful.
Oh.
Like it was very beautiful. It was my first time going somewhere like that. Like that. So.
I think we need to go online and see if there is something happening soon inside here. So that we
if there was something going on,
yeah,
we will see like people
posters
outside, or the police or posters.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm trying to see how many people it can accommodate.
Yeah.
With a capacity of
45,000.
Yeah. It's the largest stadium in Rwanda. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is it, Amahoro Stadium. Can you feel the breeze?
Yes, I can feel the breeze, guys. It is actually
it's so good. Like it was so hot.
Yeah.
But now we feel so good, guys.
You know, now me, I'm just excited to go to the KFC. I want to see. I saw the KFC, but I was like, I want to know how that very one KFC of Rwanda, how it tastes like.
Okay, I'm going to take you there.
Yeah.
I'm going to take you there.
Yeah, you can just talk. I'm not feeling it.
Alright guys, we've been walking around REMERA for a couple of minutes and I showed you the stadium, which is one of the biggest construction here in REMERA, and my friends here. I'm sure you enjoyed the REMERA tour, right?
Yes, I have enjoyed the REMERA tour, but I want to go to that KFC.
Okay, you just want to go to the KFC?
Yes.
Oh, we still have a long way to go though.
Oh, we still have a long way. Come on.
Yeah. How is the tour of REMERA?
Let's get it. It's good. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Cool breeze. Good.
Okay. All right, guys. We are going to end the video here. Remember to subscribe and check out her channel and sese in the description box. And thank you for watching the video. You know, remember to subscribe, of course.
Subscribe, like, share to your friends of friends. Leave a comment below. Click on the notification bell so that anytime she posts, you get notified that she has posted a video.
Yeah.
And when she posts, make sure that you watch, you leave a comment, you like, share to your friends of friends. That's the only way you can be able to support her and make her grow.
I know, right?
Yes.
And my folks in America, hey, reach out. You need a tour guide, all that.
I'm here.
Regardless if you're going to Rwanda, Kigali, or if you're going to Kenya, holla at them. All right.
Okay. All right, guys. See you in another video. Bye.